Okay, here's a little con support video on Exponents basics. So I'm just going to click on that. We'll get started. I'll have to move this picture around. We'll see. So it's loading in. It's taking a while to load in. Come on, computer, do your thing. There you go. So we can see the first problem here. Let me just kind of move this over so we can get a little bit clearer space to work. And you can see here it says 0 to the 5th power. So the first thing I want you guys to understand about exponents is basically it's the base, which is the number that's being raised to the exponent, and then it's going to be multiplied by itself the exponent number of times. So when you have 0 to the 5th power, what that means is that the base value of 0, right, this value of 0, is being multiplied by itself 5 times. So ultimately what you have here is just 0 times 0 times 0 times 0 times 0. And that's worth nothing, right? 0 times anything is 0, so 0 times itself 5 times is still worth 0. So what you do is you just go in here and you put 0 and you're done. Okay. The next one you want to do is 11 to the 2nd power. So the base value, 11, raised to the 2nd power. What does that mean? It means 11, the base value, to the 2nd power. So you're going to take that 11 and you're going to multiply it by itself 2 times. So you're going to go 11 times 11. Now 11 times 11 is 121. I have that one memorized. If you didn't have that memorized, you could do it with the distributive property. Say 11 times 10 is 110. 11 times 1 is 11. And 110 plus 11 is 121. But ultimately, the answer is just 121. You guys know how to multiply. And there you go. For the next one, it says match each expression to its exponential form. So when you're looking at the different ones here, I think it's better just to talk about it over here. 5 to the 4th means 5 times itself 4 times. So this one is the 5 to the 4th. 5 to the 3rd means 5 times itself 3 times. Well, that's not obviously 4 times itself 5 times. That would be 4 to the 5th. So that goes down here. So obviously 5 to the 3rd must be 125. And check it, is it? Well, 5 to the 3rd is 5 times 5 times 5. That's 25 times 5, or 125. So that works. Write an expression using an exponent that is equivalent to 9 times 9 times 9. Oh, wow, that's a lot of 9s. Okay. 9 times 9 times 9 times 9 times 9 times 9 times 9. Okay, well, how many 9s is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 7 9s here multiplied together. So that means the exponent is 7. So let's write an expression using an exponent that is equivalent to. Well, it would be 9 as the base value, right? And it's going to be raised to, we push the A to the B button, to the 7th power, because it's 7 9s times each other. This one says write an expression equal to 9 to the 4th power. It says some cards may not be used. Okay, so 9 to the 4th power means 9 times itself 4 times. So 9 times itself 4 times. That's what it would look like. 9 times 9 times 9 times 9. 9 times itself 4 times. Remember, the bottom number, the 9, is what's being multiplied, and the top exponent is the number of times it's being multiplied by itself. 3 to the 3rd power, that one we can do over here so you guys can see it. It's going to be number 6, 3 to the 3rd power, and that's going to be the base of 3 raised to the 3rd power, which means times itself 3 times. So this would be 3 times 3 times 3, which is just 9 times 3, or 27. And so your answer is 27. So when you're doing it like this, just do it 2 at a time. 3 times 3 is 9, and then 9 times 3 is 27. And last but not least, you have 1 to the exponent of 2. That just means 1 times itself, which I think we all know is 1. But I'm just going to write it out. 1 times itself, the base value is 1. You're not multiplying by 2. You're doing 1 times itself twice. Well, what's 1 times 1? 1. And so there's your answer. And that's how you do that problem. Good job.